Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And welcome to another Sunday morning vibes. You see it? Yeah. Me Dancehall Skilla, some of the times on some Sundays I'll present to you a Sunday morning vibes, to try and bring a nice Christian vibes or, Jamaica culture vibes on a Sunday, you know what I mean? Yeah, now I have another video that I'm going to present to you. Actually I'm going to leave that video with you, but before I leave that video with you, I want to talk to you about some things. What I'm saying to you? Now, first of all, I want to say Happy Father's Day to every father out there. Well, I want to say Happy Father's Day to every real fathers out there. Is what I'm saying to you? Now, you notice I said real fathers because I'm not really giving any big up to those persons who just run from responsibility. You get what I'm saying to you? No, I'm not going to say big up and respect to those persons that run from responsibilities and said that they are fathers. No, I want to say big up and respect to real fathers. I'm talking about fathers that stand by their children or child. You see me? Yeah, and make sure that they're secured and safe. You understand me? Take care of them and make sure them are alright in their life. You understand? Even if them don't have nothing to give them, they still stand by them and try them best. Real fathers me I talk about. You understand? And as I talk about real fathers, somebody told me a joke, and I think I hear the joke before the person tell me the joke, but to all the person tell me the joke, I just have to laugh. You see me? Yeah, a female give me the joke as well, where she said that, a child was given some trouble and the mother look at the child and say, hey, why can't you be good? And the child said, I'll be good for $1. And the mother look at the child and said, why can't you be good for nothing like your father? I don't know if the pun was intended, you see me I say, but let me know what you think, you see me? And some of the times I say to myself, me hear that joke there before in a sitcom, but it's just that I just can't really remember where exactly. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, welcome to another Sunday morning vibes, you see me? And I just presented a video to you, to bring the vibes, a cultural vibes, you see me? Yeah, this video shows a little Jamaica culture, you see me? Yeah, some 9 nights, would look like how you see the video a while ago. I can't say every 9 night because I don't really, know how some persons might, do their whole 9 night thing. You understand me? Yeah, but a lot of 9 nights that I've been to and I've seen on social media and so on, looks like how you see it look like where, people gather together and you have the band or bands and, someone singing some original type of Jamaican Christian music and all them things. You see what I said to you? You see the person who is holding on to the microphone and he is singing? Yeah, the person who have the microphone and he's singing, he knows how to build a vibes. You see me? And I want to say big up and respect to the person who have the microphone and singing. Yeah, big up and respect to him. And I want to say big up and respect to those persons playing the instruments. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because to me, playing instruments is a talent in viewers and subscribers, I mean, I can play drum, you see me, or should I say I can play the drums, but at the same time, playing the piano and the guitar and those instruments was somewhat difficult for me. I'm telling you. So, you have to give respect or respect due. Someone have to say big up and respect to those persons playing the instruments as well, alright? Yeah, alright. Now I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, viewers and subscribers. Actually, I said I was going to leave the video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Now this video is going to show persons singing and dancing in a church, dancing their way in our church, dancing and stepping and moving, little by little and singing and dancing and so forth. It's a nice vibes. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Christianity. It's a nice vibes. I'm telling you. You see it? Alright, so I'm going to leave the video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. You see what I'm saying to you? And you can let me know what you think about the 2 videos that I am presenting in this video. You understand me? Yeah. Let me know what you think about the video that I just presented and the one that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.